With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The figure shown a soap film in which a closed elastic thread is lying, right? The film inside the thread is pricked. Now the sliding wire is moved out so that the surface area increases. Surface area, this surface area, right? Now the radius of the circle found by the elastic thread. So first of all, it is an elastic thread, right? So what will happen if you see this is a elastic thread. On this, if you see, let's say the radius is r. So the force on this will be T into 2 pi r. And this force is property of the material of the soap film, right? Depends on the property of the material of soap film. So basically, this will not change unless you changes the material, right? Unless the material of this film is not changed, unless the material of this film will not change, the T will not change, right? T is fixed for a material. T is the surface tension constant, right? Fixed for a material. So material is same, elastic thread is same, right? So the wire and the material of the soap film both are same. So if you increase the surface area, right, nothing will change, right? So it will remain the same. C is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.